Hello, MJ. Welcome to Filo. I am Rima, a bio tutor on Filo. Yeah. Hello, am I audible? Can you hear me? How are you? May I know what is your question? Okay. May I know what is your question? Okay. So the question is the life cycle of an opossum is most similar to which organism? Okay. Yes, I can see your question. So, MJ, the life cycle of opossum. So basically, this is it is a genus of Virginia species. Okay, so it is most closely related to the kangaroos. Okay, than other mammals. It is mostly found in North America, and it is most related to or closely related to the kangaroos. Okay, and it is the group of the members of the marsupials. Okay, and opossum is the official name. So the right answer will be the kangaroo. And the another organism to which they are closely related, it is koala. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand, MJ? Is there any doubt? Okay. Yes. So the next question is the cell spends most of its time in the growth phase. So as you know that the interphase, okay, it is the longest phase of the cell cycle and the cell spends most of the time in interphase. Okay, and during this step of the cell division, the cell replicates its chromosomes, okay, and prepares itself for the division. So the right answer will be interphase. Okay, did you understand? Okay. So the next question is the process of engulfing apoptotic bodies in order to recycle them into other molecules or other cells is called as the phagocytosis. Okay, so basically exocytosis and endocytosis is related to the entry and exit of substances inside the cell and outside the cell. And phagocytosis basically it is the process of engulfing. Okay, so it is the process by which certain organisms like amoeba obtain their food. So the right answer will be phagocytosis. Okay, hello, did you understand? Is there any doubt? No, the right answer will be phagocytosis. Okay, the process of engulfing is called as phagocytosis, and just endocytosis is the entry of substances, and exocytosis is the exit of substances. But the engulfing of apoptotic bodies is called as phagocytosis. Okay, so the right answer will be phagocytosis. Okay, did you understand, MJ? Do you have any other question? Hello. Okay. So your next question is binary fission is a form of asexual reproduction. What is an advantage of asexual reproduction when compared to sexual reproduction? So the first option is an organism that reproduces asexually is better equipped to respond to environmental changes. Asexual reproduction are less likely to have mutation. Asexual organism lives longer. An organism that reproduces asexually can reproduce much more quickly than an organism that reproduces sexually. Okay, so the right answer will be option number three. Okay, because the organism that reproduces asexually it will reproduce more quickly. All other options are incorrect. So the right option will be option number three. Okay, all right. Okay, option number three will be the correct answer. Describe at least two advantages and at least two disadvantages using embryonic stem cells to repair damaged tissue due to injury or disease. Be sure to use a topic sentence and conclude with a summary. Okay, so here you have to list two advantages and at least two disadvantages. Okay, I'm typing the answer in the chat box. First of all, do you know what are stem cells? Do you know, MJ, what are stem cells? Hello, are you listening? Okay, so basically we use the stem cells as the regenerative cells. Okay, they have the potential to form the cells of any body part. Okay, okay. So here I am sending you a picture. From there you can write. Okay, okay. What I can do, I am trying it in the chat box. From there you can write. So first of all, here I am telling you about the advantages. Okay, so the first advantage is that the embryonic stem cells can make any tissue. Okay, they can make any tissue of the body. And the second advantage is that they are easy to generate, okay, and they are amenable to genetic manipulation. They are amenable to genetic manipulation. Okay, so these are the two advantages. And if we talk about the disadvantages, the first disadvantage is that they are allogenic only. Okay, and the second disadvantage is that there are some ethical issues. Okay, okay, did you understand? Okay, and there is risk of tumor formation also. This is one of the main disadvantages of embryonic stem cells. Okay, all right. Did you understand? Right. Do you have any other question? Okay. Are you sending the question? Hello. Cells can become cancerous for many reasons, regardless of how they become cancerous. The same general pattern is followed, but the stages of cancer development in order from first to last. Okay, so here we have to make these events in a series. Okay, so as you know, a cell begins to grow and divide uncontrollably. A small mass formed called a tumor. Part of the tumor breaks off and now malignant, and the beginning tumor is confined to one place. The cell metastasizes and moves through the bloodstream, spreading throughout the body. Okay, so as you know, the first event is a cell begins to grow and divide uncontrollably. Okay, so when there is uncontrollable growth of the cells, that is called as a cancer. So the first event is correct. Okay, after that, a small cell mass will form. Okay, that is called the tumor. Okay, and the third step will be the cell metastasizes and moves through the bloodstream and spread throughout the body. Okay, and the fourth will be the benign tumor is confined to one plane, and the fifth one will be the part of the tumor break off and it is now malignant. Okay, so you have to use the arrows and move the letters in the left column up or down. Okay, example like if item D is in the first in order, it will go up in the top box. Okay, so here item first, second are in series, after that fifth, okay, after that fourth, and then third. Okay, so the chart below shows the either the diploid number or the haploid number of four different organisms. So you have to find the missing number in the chart. Okay, so as you know, the haploid set is half set. Okay, haploid set is called as half number of chromosomes. Okay, for example, the dog have 78 chromosomes, right? As you know, the number of chromosomes in dog here is 78. Okay, so that is diploid or it is 2n. So what will be the n? This one divided by 2. Okay, okay, are you getting? What will be the number? 37. Okay, so the haploid number of chromosome will be 37. Okay, sorry, it will be 39. Okay, so the number of chromosome in dog, it will be 39. So here the W is equal to 39 and the number of chromosome in haploid set is 19. So the number of diploid will be double 19, that is 38. Okay, if there are 19 chromosome in haploid, so here 19 into 2, that is 38. Okay, so in cat, 38 chromosomes are there. So the right, okay, okay, so the right answer will be 39, 38. And here why? It will be 14. Okay, so the right answer will be option number 2. Okay, is there any other question? Is there any other question? Okay, which of the following would not happen if G checkpoint was mutated or damaged in a cell? So as you know, there are some checkpoints in the cell cycle. Okay, so the what will happen if the G1 checkpoint is not there? Okay, so the first option is cell would not have enough nutrients. Second is cell would not be large enough. The cell would die. The cell would not continue on the S stage. So as you know, there is G1, S, and G2 phase. Okay, so if there will be no G1 phase, then what will happen? The cell would not be large enough. Okay, the right option 2 is correct. Okay, because in S phase, the synthesis of DNA synthesis takes place. Okay, but in the G1 stage, the cell prepare itself. Okay, it synthesizes all the constituents.